Okay, this is the WordPress builder in Japanese. I used Japanese because I figured most of you would use the builder in Japanese. If you chose to use English, great, it's a good challenge. But if you have trouble building and navigating your website by using English, I recommend to change to the Japanese or whatever your native language is. If you try to challenge yourself by using English only, it might slow you down a lot, so I do recommend to use the builder in your native language to not waste a lot of time. So let's go through the steps of building and publishing your site. Click Saito Hajimeyo. Here, please enter your email address. You can use your Toyo address or any email address that you regularly use, like Gmail or Hotmail or something. Also, put your username. Pick a username that's not being used. Please be appropriate. And then a password, not the email password, a different password. And then click the pink button to make your account. There'll be many places on WordPress set up to try to get you to pay for a domain. You do not need to pay for a domain. This is a class project. Make sure to click the Muryo button. Again, do not pay for anything. Click the Muryo button every time. Then you'll wait for it to customize. Now you have your editor. All you really need to do right now for Kara's sake is to put a name for your homepage and your business name in the Saito no title. So home button, click edit, put your name and the site title, write your business name there. Later you can worry about putting in pictures and adding all the other information. But just change the business name, the site name, and save. Click the Henko o Hozon button. This next page will allow you to publish. Publishing is super important so Kara can actually see your website and see your changes. Click the Kokai Junbichu button here in red. And on this next page, you can click the pink button, Saito o Kokai. Very important. The next page will try to get you to pick a domain that you have to pay for. No, click the .wordpress.com button at the bottom, the Muryo option. The next page also, Muryo site, click that button. Finally, you have published your site. This page shows that you've published the site. 公開しました. Yay. And then you want to click the Saito o Hyoji button. Here you can see what your site looks like so far. You can see the business name that you wrote, and at the top, your URL. Copy this URL. You will send this URL copy to Kara by email before Sunday night. You're going to make sure that your URL is visible by Kara. So you need to log out. Click your profile image here. And then your profile page comes up. It should not have your picture. Don't put any identifying information except your email address and your username. Okay, don't put any other information about yourself. Please keep your privacy. But now I want you to log out. If you log out and then paste your URL that you copied before for your website, paste that into a new window. If you are logged out, you will see the same thing Kara will see. If you cannot see your website this way, this means you didn't follow the publishing steps properly and you need to try again. Or it means you didn't copy your URL properly. So make sure you've checked your URL again and made sure that's correct. Okay, good luck. If you have any questions, please let me know. Again, this is due Sunday night, so it should just take a few minutes if you follow these steps. Try to do this on time. Thank you.